Alright, got the Massey Ferguson MF40, and I just replaced all the hydraulic lines. This is remnants of some of them. And here's the rest of the old ones. As you can see, they're just there's like no more coating on this. They're just ripped apart. This is almost worn through. They're just done. So all new lines. Also put on the I don't know, it's like a fire hose sock, kind of a rub resistor. I got the front lines. The one off the pump, I shortened that by a foot. At least I didn't. I told Napa to. And the ones that Napa couldn't make, I went to a place called Roops in Vista, California, and they had the rest of the stuff. So this is got all these lines as well. I shortened these ones by a foot. They were just too long. What else have I done? I got my drink cooler, which is a necessity. And I got my backup cooler, or holder, drink holder. That goes to like a stroller, instead of a stroller, but it works really well. Put on a mirror. But right now the battery's dead. It says it's good, but trying to crank it over once. So I bought this Genius Boost Pro GB150. It's 4,000 amps. Let's turn this thing on. Okay, it's fully charged. See how this thing works. I haven't really used it under. I used it for like a jet ski, but nothing this big. Okay. That's what it says. 9.7 volts. It's clicking and doing a bunch of stuff, so I think it's actually working. Let's try it. Sweet. I just filled up my hydraulic fluid, so it's probably going to be going down, which it is. Check the leaks. This is the first time I fired it up. Got leaks. It's spraying. Everything looks good. I rebuilt this. I rebuilt all these, I don't know what they call it, a bucket control, I guess. But in between, it's like a block. That's a block, 1, 2, 3, 4. I just scratched on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I knew where it went. And when I took it apart, there's probably 4 O-rings per side. So, and they're like special flat ones. They're not just the thicker round ones. So you got to go to like a hydraulic store or a specialty hardware store for them. But all in all, this is coming together pretty good. And actually, right where I'm standing, I'm going to be building a house. So I'm going to start. That's my house right now. But I have 2 kids and 1 on the way, and it's 2 bedrooms, so it's getting tight quick. So I'm going to probably move these water tanks, take this dirt down, put it here, make this kind of a flat pad, and this will be like right where my tractor's at. It's like the living room, probably a kitchen where that storage container is. This will be like a dining room, and my view will be down there, out these windows, and to this back field. So that's what we got going on. I'll give you a quick peek into my workshop. what I got going. Bench grinder, Everlast, TIG, ARC, and Plasma. I'll be doing a review on that, I'm sure. And just toys. And beer. Of course. Alright, I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.